Hey, Ms. LeClaire, this is Scott Tracy here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to inquire about the beautiful Sonatas. I actually have plenty in stock. I've got more coming. I've got about 15 more coming. As you can see online, they are priced to move. They will not last very long. If you would, go ahead and give me a call, 205-380-6250 to set up an appointment. Or you can just come by and see us. We're at 1595 Montgomery Highway right here in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. And I promise you, you're going to love the way that you're treated. Thank you.